Got our trusty old anthill. Let's see what's in here. Little branch. Hey guys. Knock knock. Knock knock. Anybody in there? Oh yeah, you're in there. Never step on an ant pile like this. Look at that. It's like hotel, ant hotel. Rooms throughout. You step on this, you will feel it, you will regret it. Look at that. Saturated in there. So be very careful with these, especially with kids and pets. They're all in there. Hotel a la ant. You'll see a mound of discolored soil. Looks like this color rise up, from the ground, and it'll be full of ants like this. Looks like sand. It's like they ground the when they dig, they make the dirt so fine it looks like sand. This is above the ground and looking like a mound of dirt, but really it's full of ants.